Here is the lesson 28 homework solutions. Take a look at those 6. Pause if you need to. I'm going to go over 37, 38, and 39. If you need help on 34, 35, 36, just message me and let me know, and I can help you out. All right. Behind me once again is another picture of SpaceX. This time, you can't really see it that good because my whiteboard is blocking it, but this is the moment when it's separated from the rocket. Pretty cool stuff. All right. Anyways, so here's number 37. It was log base 5 of 1 over 25. So remember, this is saying 5 raised to what power gives me 1 over 25. This is going to involve a negative exponent. This is that last tricky one I went over on the homework is like this. So how can I write 1 over 25 as 5 to the something? Well, let's go off to the side here for a second. 25 can be written as 5 squared, because 5 squared is 25. But this is 1 over 25, so that must mean we need a negative exponent, because negative exponents turn into fractions. So that's going to be 5 to the negative second, because 1 over 5 to the second is the same as 5 to the negative second, which is going to make it 1 over 25. So this side turns into 5 to the negative second. Bases are the same, so x must equal negative 2. So log base 5 of 1 over 25 must be negative 2. Number 38, log base 8 of 32. 8 to the what power gives us 32. We want to get the bases the same. I can drop both of these down to base 2. 8 is really 2 to the third. 32 is 2 to the fifth. Multiply those two together, power raised to a power, that's going to turn into 2 to the 3x equals 2 to the fifth. Bases are the same, so 3x must equal 5. Divide both sides by 3, and I find out that x is equal to 5/3. So that means log base 8 of 32 is 5/3, because 8 raised to the 5/3 power gives me 32. You can confirm that on a calculator if you need that. Toughest question on the homework right here, log base 100 of 0.1. What you need to recognize here is that 0.1 can be written as a fraction. 0.1 is really 1/10. That's how we say that number. 0.1 is 1/10. So I have log base 100 of 1/10. So I have 100 raised to the what gives me 1/10. What base can I get both sides to? I can easily get them to 10, a base of 10, because 100 is 10 squared. Still being raised to the x. 1/10, okay, here we go with the negative exponents again. 10 is really 10 to the first, but it's 1 over 10, so I need to make it 10 to the negative first. So this side is going to be 10 to the negative first. Multiply those two together, I get 10 to the 2x equals 10 to the negative first. Bases are the same, so 2x must equal negative 1. Divide both sides by 2, and I do in fact get that x is equal to negative 1/2, which means that log base 10 of 0.1 is negative 1/2. And once again, if you take your calculator, if you take 100 and raise it to the negative 1/2 power, you will get 0.1 or 1/10, depending on you want the decimal or fractional answer.